The LINGDONG Compactor adopts the internationally popular replaceable coupler design. Ordinary compactors are equipped with directly welded couplers that cannot be replaced. However, when the LINGDONG Compactor needs to adapt to different excavator quick-change systems, users can directly remove the original coupler and replace it with different adaptive components. This is especially useful when used with a tilt rotator, as it allows for the replacement of couplers with automatic oil circuit conduction, facilitating quick and easy operation of the compactor.